everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kathleen, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about lash curlers. So if that interests you, stay tuned. Okay, so like I said in my intro, we're going to be talking about lash curlers, how to use them, how to position your head so that you curl your lashes correctly, how to put a liner on so it just enhances the way that your lashes look once everything is done. You know, we're getting closer and closer. Well, we're finding that more and more people want less makeup rather than more makeup. So this is just another way to incorporate the natural makeup look into your routine. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first off, you know, everything needs to be clean. Your lashes need to be clean, your eyes need to be clean, and your lash curler right here needs to be clean. Now there are many different types of these. I just kind of spray mine with a little alcohol. There are many different types of lash curlers depending on, you know, what your budget is. I happen to love this one from Surratt Beauty. It's just very comfortable to curl your lashes with them. I've used some where they actually pinch. They're just very metal, hard feeling. But this one here from Surratt, it's very lightweight. It's very soft to curl your lashes. And what I mean by soft is like it doesn't feel like it's too hard on your lashes. It has this like little rubber stopper here, and then this part here isn't too harsh. It's not too sharp there. So anyway, let's get started with lash curling. So what I'm going to show you to do is to take your blow dryer for a few minutes and put some heat on that rubber part here, right? Just put a little bit of heat. Just put a little bit of heat to warm it up. You don't need to make it hot. They do make lash curlers that heat up on their own. I've never used one. I've just always just used a blow dryer. And then go in there and like tilt your head back and get in as close to your lash line as possible and just squeeze. Like some people like to pump. You can do either or. Some people like to go like this, back and forth, pumping it. I just kind of hold it up for about 10 seconds or so. And you can see it. That's the side that's curled. This is the side, obviously, that's not curled. So, I mean, the trick too is to get all the way down to the corner of your lash here and get that inside there. And then just kind of shoot over. And now if you have really straight eyelashes that kind of shoot down, using a heated trick, just putting a little bit of a blow dryer on there, will really help with curling the lashes. Let it cool for a second. You don't want to go in there and burn. And then tilt your head back and squeeze. Get it close to the lash line, to your lid, as you possibly can. That's the thing I think I see people doing the most is curling. They're afraid to go too close, but they go too far out, and what they do is they curl the lash and they get like a hook on the end, and it doesn't look natural. It looks like it's very foreign looking. So anyway, okay, so that's my lashes with them being curled. Next, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put some mascara on. You can use a lash primer if you have a lash primer that you like to use. That adds a lot more thickness to the lashes. I almost find like with my lashes, it almost makes them too thick. So anyway, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use, this is my favorite, one of my most favorite mascaras, is this L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. I love it. You're gonna see how much volume this gives. Another waterproof one here is by Essence. And these are affordable, like drugstore type mascaras. I also have this one from Ilia. This has, you can see it has a brush. It's kind of clumpy. It's the only thing I don't like about it. I love Ilia mascara. I like the Limitless more so than I like this one. Here, let me show you the comb. This is what I like about the telescopic. It has like these little tiny teeth that grab underneath that lash, especially close to your waterline, and then lift it up. So it really does get close there. So it really coats the entire lash really nicely. And then I have this other one here from Trish McAvoy. So we have two are high-end ones, and then two are, you know, drugstore ones, which I am a big fan of drugstore. So you can see, can you see the brush? Yeah, it's just like a typical regular mascara brush. Okay, so what I like to do next is I'll go in there with like a waterproof pencil, right? I'm gonna take this one here by Wayne Goss and go in there and do my waterline right up in here. Go all the way across. And you can see already how that adds some more depth to the eye, like it just makes it look thicker. Go in here. Now, if you're going to do mascara on your bottom lash, I would recommend you going in there and doing the bottom lash now, because what happens, because you're gonna have to look down to do your bottom lash, but if you had to go in and then do your top, you did your top lashes first, when you lean back, you're gonna get all spots on your eyeshadow. So if you do your bottom lash, I don't do my bottom lashes, do them now and then move on to the top part. But you can see how this mascara goes in and it will, the teeth really get in there and it really grabs it. It's what I like best about this. So you can see that's just with one coat. You can see how much that opens up that eye and lifts it up, right? So that's just with a lash curler. So, you know, you don't need to put false lashes on. If you curl your lashes, put liner on your waterline, and then go in there and put a mascara in underneath it. Especially with this mascara, it's crazy. And it's not too thick, like that Ilia brush is so thick for me to go in there and get close. Like I feel like I'm gonna poke myself in the eye with that. So I have a tendency to do just the end of the lash. With this one, I can go right up against that waterline and lift up. So anyway, if you're gaining any value from this video, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. And excuse me, I am starting to lose my voice a little bit. Okay. So that's it. That's my little tips and tricks on how to curl your lashes. I hope you gained some value from this. And I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a really good day. Bye-bye.